Hi guys, it's just a sound and video test, and I want to make sure that you can also hear me and see my screen. So please let me know if all is good in YouTube chat. I will be waiting for a reply. Thank you. So I got a message that everything is working correctly. Thank you. And today we'll talk about smart elements. Also, I would like to meet my colleague Valeria. She will help me with the webinar chat and answer all your questions. Feel free to ask us anything. And I also want to say a few words about our company. Stripe an emails design platform that helps users save time and build emails without any coding skills. We do our best to improve your experience with Stripe, and our team is always open to different suggestions. So if you have them, you can always contact us via email. And I will share our email address in the webinar chat. So if everyone is ready, let's start the webinar. While you create a new email template for newsletter, you often have to do the same routine actions. For instance, imagine you have a website with the products and you need to send an email about promotion regarding 10 products from your site. You need to download 10 pictures, 10 product names, 10 prices, 10 brand names, and of course 10 links to indicate them under the buy button. These downloaded elements are usually applied in the email several times. For example, the name of the product is used 3 times in the field, product names, for title, and for alternative text of the picture product. The same goes for the link. We apply it to the button, to the picture, to the title, and etc. So in future, you will again have to repeat the steps described above. But what if there are not 5 pictures but 50? I think it is pain, for sure. To reduce the loss of your time for performing routine operations, we created a new feature called a smart element that allows you to optimize this process. Smart element is as a functionality designed by Stripe. It allows you to automate emails production. This is a true time saver for those who build multiply product cart and email designs. You configure them once and use them across numerous promo campaigns. For now, we have 2 ways to configure smart elements inside your email templates. I'm sorry. First method is automatic. All you have to do is paste a link to your website, and Stripe by itself pulls the product image, product description, the product name into your promo emails. No need for you to save and upload images, no need to copy and paste product description or URL to the button. We on it. We are on it. To use this method, we first need to find out if the site you want to download content from supports open graph text. If your site contains OG text, open graph text, you simply insert a link to the product and indicate where exactly in the template this or that information about the product should go. It will take you less than 5 minutes, just one time. The next time when you will use the smart elements again, all you need to do is paste the product link without any configuration. So how to check if your site contains OG text? We need to go to the site from which you want to download product information using the smart elements feature. So for example, I will choose a site with the cart sales. So let's check the site for support of OG text. You will need to follow these steps. So the first one step, you just need to right click on your website, then go to the insert tab here. Next one step, you should click Ctrl F or Command F on Mac OS, then enter OG colon. If you find any OG colon in the code, then your site does support OG text. So here we can see OG URL, OG title, OG type, OG image, and etc. So now we can totally understand that our website support OG text. So now we are convinced that our site support OG text, and we need to activate the smart option in the template. There are two ways to use the smart elements option. So the first one, we should create a smart elements manually. Let's go to our account. Here we have a new feature like dark mode, and let's now create a completely empty template as an example and test this feature in it. So let's go to the template, new template, and now we can see brand new template. In the Stripe editor, we can drop the structure with two containers, and I want to notice that I will make this one two containers only for now. How many containers in the structure you need, you can set by your end. So here we go to the structure layouts, and we can drop structure with two containers. In the first container, I add the block necessary to me. So the first one block will be the picture. Let's drop it here. The next one will be text. And the last one will be button. It's like a skeleton of the product card right now. So image, text, and the block. Then let's highlight our container. Yeah. The next one, when we highlight our container with the base blocks, we should go to the data tab in the sidebar and click on the connect website page here. This one button will activate the smart property. So here we can see the link field. We should insert the URL link to our product. So here let's copy this link and paste it here and click on the get data. So it's like the first one. Let's copy it and drag and drop it here. And now if we go to the settings, let's paste here brand new link for this one item. As you can see, we uploaded images, text, and link for the button and picture to our product card as quickly as possible. And this is not all information that you can download from your product website. Next steps, we will learn how to upload another data. So we have ended with first option. Let's take a look to the second option. So the second one option is to use a smart elements from the Stripe model library. While you are in the template, you can use prebuilt models in which all smart elements are already activated. So let's go to our account and create like new template from prebuilt template library. So highlight the premium and let's pick maybe this one. Yeah. So here we can see templates that our designers have created, and we can add new information here. So let's imagine that this one template will convenient us. So the next one, we should go to the structure and models, then go to the general models, and here you can see the list of our prepared models. But the first step that we should need to do, let's put structure with 4 containers here, for example. Let's delete the paddings at left and right. Maybe change the container gap. Yeah, and now our structure is ready. Now we should go to general model field. You just need to go to the this section, yeah, and now we should click on the sorting tab. Here you can see a lot of sorts fields, but we need to highlight only product cards and set of product cards. Here you can see all our models regarding the smart element feature, so we can pick any of these. So for example, let's pick this one 4 times. Now we should copy it, drag and drop it to our this one field, drag and drop it here, and the last one. So perfect. As the next one step, we should paste like 4 items for our structure with 4 containers. So here, as you can see, I have already prepared 4 links, and let's start from this one. So now we should go to the smart container here, go to the data. As you can see, data have already activated. Now we should paste this link and click on the get data. Perfect. So let's go to the next one, highlight smart container, go to the data, paste the link. Good. And the next one, the Tesla, highlight smart container, go to the data. Yeah, and the next one will be this one block. And it works too. So I think for our layout, I will just delete this one container, but I think you understand the main aim of this. So we will equalize it here. Now it works. So as we can see, with the help of the smart models, we also save time on creating a container and just insert link to the product, so it worked correctly. But now the price of the product was also picked, which is very convenient. So here, as you can see, price have paste. So let's go to our account. And of course, we have another option with a smart container, how you can implement it. Here you should go to the prebuilt template and go to the sorting tab and click on the feature. And here, as you can see smart elements. So we should click only smart elements. Let's click all, and now you can see all our premium and free templates with this feature. So we can pick any of these. Let's pick this one. So if choose this one option with the template, the smart elements will be activated by default. All that remains is to add the URL link in the same way as we saw in the example above. So let's check containers with the smart containers option activated. So here the first one, this one is just only container, smart container 2. So as you can see, this one should be smart container 2. Yeah, smart container. So let's pick this one container and this one smart container. I will pick this one item and this like as a second option. So copy. Now we should go to the settings of this container, go to the data, paste this link and click on the get data. Works. And the next one works as well, and we can fix this one issues, and now we can see that all information works correctly, and we can set enough information for our needs. And of course, therefore, you can take any template from the list that you have seen and add your product card link to a smart elements in the template. And now I think we should check the second method. If we need to take a template that does not have prepared smart elements, but we will add them manually. So important to note about this method. This method requires basic technical skills. Using this method, you need to set up the content once, in which the title of the product, picture, price, description, buy button, link, etc. will be arranged in the desired order and the appearance. Then you should add the variables, set the rules where to get the values and where to apply them, and that's all. The smart element is ready to use. Let's look at an example of adding a new variable for the price. Let's create again new template or email message, whatever. So here we should go to the basic, and again let's create brand new. So the first one step, we should create a product card like a skeleton. To do this, we just need to activate a smart element and add an image, for example, for the for picture. So let's drag and drop image. Then we should drag and drop the text and the button. After that, we should go to the container, click on the data, click on the connect website, and then we should paste a link here. So let's pick this one item and click get data. Next step, let's prepare a new block, text block for a price. We just need to add a block text to our smart container here. So here we should paste text block. And I will list a few steps you need to take to add a new variable with unique information from your website for this block text. So the first one step, we should go to the configuration tab. Click. Second one, we should click on the plus button here and give the variable name. So it will be, for example, price, and here price as well. Then we should click plus item button here and select the desired block. So here, if you highlight on these blocks tabs, you can see that our editor highlight the block to which you want to implement the data to. So this one block, we don't need to apply to it, we need to apply to the second one text block. So click and click save configuration. In our case, this is a new third block which I added especially for the price. It will be highlighted with a frame in the smart elements. After that, we just need to click on the save configuration button as I did before. So I'm sorry, I need to pause. I'm here again, thank you. So let's continue. In order to add a unique information from your site into the smart elements, we just need to copy the CSS selector of it, and this is just all. In our case, we want to upload the price, which means we need to apply CSS selector. To do this, we open a site page with the product. So again, I will paste new one item. It will be Ford Mustang. So right now we just need to right click on any free field. So for example here, and go to the inspect section. Next one, we should click on the select an element in the page to inspect it. So this one button, and hover over the price. After this, when we click on the price, the code that is responsible for the price will be highlighted in this one tab. So this one code is responsible for the price. And you just need to right click on the highlighted code here, go to the copy section here, and copy selector. Now let's return to the editor. So again, we should paste here a new link for the item, and let's again copy the selector. Now we have returned to the editor, and in the smart settings here we should go to the direction rule. Let's click on it, and now you can see the selector of the desired block price. We should paste the copied information here and click check rule and save. So using smart elements, you can upload any information from your website to the email template. You just need to copy the selector and paste it to the desired block into the smart settings. Let's use an example of another car to try to download all the information along with the price and add new variable car mileage. We just need to make a copy of this structure. Let's copy this structure. Yeah. And simply paste the link into the smart container section. So let's click and use another car. It will be Hyundai Elantra. So go to the data, click here. Yeah, works. And now you can see it works from our prepared container. Now we should click on the inspect, click this one button, and let's upload this information. Copy selector and go here. Now we should drag and drop again new text. And as I mentioned before, we should go to the configuration, add new variable, meal. I will call it meal, and plus item, and this one, last one block. Save. Perfect. Now we should go to the data again, go to the direction row, and paste the selector that we have copy 1 minute ago. So click on the check rule and save. So here you can see that we have uploaded the mileage of this car. And of course, if we go to this one and paste a link here, now we upload all information about this one car regarding with the new variable like price and new variable mileage. So of course you can upload this one information, for example, how many seats in this car and wherever you want. So voila, as we can see, all information was loaded correctly. And we saved a lot of time since we did not need to copy the elements separately again. And great news for you, all changes we have made can be saved as a model and used in another template. Let's take this container, this one container, as a basic, which we created manually with all necessary variables like name, price, and mileage. So we should save it as model. We should click on this one. So I will call it example and click on the save button. Now we should go to another model, another template. So let's go to the prebuilt and, for example, to this one. So for now we should go to the section of your saved model. So this is this one section. Now we should go to my models, and here you can see my first model. Let's drag and drop it, for example, I don't know, here. Yeah. And insert a link to product. So I will pick, for example, this one. Yeah, we should go to the container settings and click on the get data. Yeah, works. So it was like whole information about smart elements. As you can see, it works really fast, and you can upload all information from your site, from product, as soon as possible, and it will save a lot of time for you in the future, for sure. Of course, if you use it like a model, change the layout, the text size, color, and etc. You can use it in the future templates. And again, as I said, you will use for sure not so much time that you have used previously. So thank you for your time and for your attention. I'm very happy to share information about Stripe feature smart element with you. And if you have any questions about this webinar, you can write us via the webinar chat in YouTube, and I will answer in the webinar chat as well. Appreciate your time and have a good day.